Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create a README file in GitHub. So let's get started. To create a README file, first open github.com in your browser and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right and select your repositories from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the repository where you want to add a README file. Once inside the repository, click on Add File at the top right and select Create New File. Alternatively, you can scroll down to the bottom of the repository and click on Add a README from the README section. At the top, you'll see your project name and a field for the new file. Enter README.md as the file name if it isn't already there. Below that, you'll find a text editor where you can add your project description. Once you've added the content, click Commit Changes on the top right of the page. Confirm by clicking Commit Changes again. That's it. Your repository now has a README file. You can edit it anytime by clicking the pencil icon. By following these simple steps, you can create a clear, well-structured, and informative README file for your GitHub project. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.